Hey guys, how's it going? Today we got a really cool battle. So this is a early 50 S3L Bronze Tabby with a 2-piece 25 and a 2-piece 31 versus a Leslie S3K Aluminum Tabby. It's got a 2-piece 31 also. So with these horns, it's got the 2-piece welded bells, got a 25, 31, and another 31. Your S3K has got a 31, a 37, and a 48, whereas your S3L has got a 25, a 31, and a 44. So all these bells are square bells, which this is what a square bell is. And anyway, all the chambers have been machined. These three bronze tabbies have been machined, fully restored, as well as these aluminum ones. So this is a early 60s S3K, this is an early 50s S3L. So anyway, in the video of the battle, the 48 is reversed, as you can see it here in the video, so it's pointing back at the garage door, but you're still getting that sound. So anyway, let me know in the comments below which one you like better, which one you think wins. So this is the Leslie S3L versus the Leslie S3K.